Hey guys, welcome back to another Dollar Tree Christmas DIY. I have 3 DIYs in this video for y'all. I love how they looked. I love how they turned out. So let's go ahead and get right into the first one. So for this first one, I went ahead and grabbed 3 books. I already had these, but you can grab them at the Dollar Tree, or you can use old books that you're not using or reading anymore. You can also get them at the thrift store, but I found that the thrift store still kind of sells them for a little higher. I don't know. But all I did was give them 3 coats of the Waverly chalk paint. I used the white and the silver. I mixed both of them together just to give, I didn't want it just to be white, so I just wanted to have like an off-white, I guess, color. So I gave 3 coats of that. Then I used some yarn. I had some red lying around. You can use ribbon, burlap ribbon, whatever you want to use, but I just decided to go with red yarn and I tied it around the book. Then I went ahead and grabbed a Walmart pick. I had some Dollar Tree ones lying around, but I really like the Walmart picks that I got the other day. They sell theirs for 97 cents. It just has like a more frosty look, so I went ahead and just slid the pick right through the yarn, and that was it. And then I wrote, you can write whatever you want. Let it snow, Merry Christmas. I wrote Jesus is the reason. I just wanted to go with that. I like what that meant, so that's what I did, and that is all. There it is. I think it looks super cute. I put it over by my entertainment center. Alright, and on to the next one. What you'll be needing for this is 4 of the Dollar Tree foam wreaths and some ribbon. So this ribbon is actually from Dollar General. I got a big roll. I think it was 36 feet for $5. The original ribbon that I wanted to use, I did get at a Dollar Tree, but I didn't get enough rolls. And when I went back, they were gone. I mean, I went to a lot of Dollar Trees throughout the week, and I could not find the burlap that I wanted. So I went ahead and just grabbed this one from Dollar General, which is still inexpensive because it actually, I was able to do all 4 of them, and then I had about 15 inches left over of that ribbon, so it worked out great. Also for this project, you can't really see, I didn't focus it well, I'm so sorry, but as you can see, what I did was just wrap it around the whole entire wreath. And then I used Dollar General bows. I got there's 6 in a pack for $1, and I went ahead and used some ribbon that I got at the Dollar Tree. I think mine says Merry Christmas on it. And I went ahead and wrapped this. I will be putting these behind all of my chairs in the dining room, so that's why I have the ribbon. And I went ahead and put the ribbon first, and then I hot glued those bows right on top, and then that way they'll just be hanging behind my chair. And this is how they turned out. I love the way they look. They just look really simple, and I love the way they look behind my chairs. And on to the last project. So for this one, you're going to need some stovetop covers, a candlestick holder, and some paint. Now you can paint this whatever color you want. I decided to go with white because this is a Christmas theme. I will also be making one of these for my regular home decor, and that's going to be a different color. But for today, we're going to be using white chalk paint. So I went ahead and painted the stove covers white. I gave it about 3 coats. So for the bigger one, I only painted just, I guess I want to call it the inside of the stove cover. I just painted the inside with 3 coats of white chalk paint, and then the smaller stove cover, I did paint the bottom about 3 times, and then the inside, I think I gave it about 2 coats. Alright, and then you want to paint your candlestick. I only gave this candlestick 2 coats of the chalk paint. Alright guys, and once everything is dry, I went ahead and took my E6000. You can use whatever glue you want. I feel like E6000 and hot glue work the best. So I used my E6000 and some hot glue, and I hot glued the bottom of the candlestick to the bottom of the stove. And then I will be using more E6000 and more hot glue to the top so I can hot glue the top part. And there is the tray, and I think it looks super cute. The last step that I did was take some of my Waverly chalk paint in the crimson, I think it's crimson, yes, color, and I went ahead and just painted just like the rim, the outer rim of the tray red, and that is it, just to give it, only because this is a Christmas tray, just to make it look a little bit more festive. Alright guys, and here is the tray. I decorated it with what I had lying around. I had some berries. I'm into berries this year, but I put a candle on it, some globes, anything you like. I think it looks super cute. And here is everything, you guys. I am so excited about these. I love how they turned out. I think I say that all the time, but I really get excited after each and every one. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would really help me out. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Karla. Thank you for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I also do cleaning videos and hauls. I do a lot, but since it is Christmas, I have been doing a lot of Christmas DIYs. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.